experiment or yung activity natin, i-discuss natin yung ano yung local winds. So local winds is, ito yung our small scales of circulation. Meaning to say is, kanang magiging local lang or kanang mas maliit lang yung scale niya sa circulation ng wind nito. Unlike sa global circulation is pang large scale yung mangyayari sa global winds. Unlike sa local winds, that it is really it depends to the place. For example, sa Baguio, iba yung local winds doon. And then sa Cabina, iba din yung wind circulation natin dito. Next one is local winds like land sea breeze and mountain valley breeze are driven by unequal heating and cooling of earth's surface. So mamaya, mali-discuss natin yung bakit mayroong local winds. So ito muna, unbox muna tayo sa winds. So sailors were the first wind scientists. Kasi during sa mga old people is they are really use the wind in order for them to navigate in other places. Second one is wind carry sound and spread farther. So it's really merong naluluto doon sa malayong lugar na pagkain is mananakap yung amoy because of the wind that smell carried by wind. Next one is sports depend on wind, just as kahit kanang mga kayaking, and then yung ito is wind surfing. So kailangan talaga itong wind para makalipad yung surfing. Next one is wind once power human progress, because we all know that wind ay makikita natin meron na mga windmill that the people use, that they are progressive na ginagawa nila yung wind as a source of energy na pwede magagamit na as electricity. So ito yung characteristic ng local winds. They affect a limited area, usually up to kilometers in range. So small scale lang talaga yung local winds unlike sa global scale. And then short duration siya is madali lang yung circulation unlike sa global winds na mas matagal yung circulation ng global winds. Unlike sa local winds is short periods of circulation and then changing direction is mas madali lang. And then temperature driven caused by differential heating of the earth's surface, kasi we all know na ibang lugar is meron talagang mas mayroong malakas na hangin, meron din sakto lang yung kalakasan ng hangin because it depends sa kanang earth surface na doon, yung land nila is mas madali na uminit. And then yung local winds is reversible pattern. Some local winds is meron talagang cycle na mangyayari. Iba ang mangyayari sa day and night, merong reversible patterns sa local winds. And then last one is predictable timing. So makikita nyo doon sa kanang mga balita that they are really predictable. Ano yung kanang wind speed in a particular area. For example, sa Cabina or even sa Surigao del Sur, the weather forecaster alam nila yung wind speed because ang measure nila is local winds. So that's why predictable yung local winds. Now, kanina meron akong sinabi na types of local winds, yung land and sea breeze. So this is our common in coastal areas and are caused by the temperature differences between land and sea. So ngayon is mag-experiment tayo ano yung process ng land and sea breeze. So ano yung process ng wind, bakit merong cycle na mangyayari. So let's have a group. Count 1, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. is mag-plan lang next meeting ang content guys sa group ko ba? Masasama? Sino ka na? Ako sila ano? Sige, group 1. Kasi lang. Sa ikuwato ni group 1. Okay, the procedure is set up against the two trees side by side, the table will be between them. When one tree with sand, so when or level it land, when the other with water, level it sea. So meron tayong dalawang trees. So nilagyan ko na. License paper, pwede lang natulungan. Kanay, butang na sa...
Init yan! No, she's ano? No, hindi siya mababa. Ano? Next.
Tapos, like may incense ka na pwede rin like tapos, pagputang sa incense is, pwede na ninyo itong incense.
Kasi observe tayo.
Observe niya sa lapit ang pagulong mismo.
Dakote.
Observe this kung asa pa nila ang mismo.
Asa naman siya i-place ang
Sa may hindi kayo mapila.
Sa lalo na yung electric pan yun.
Pero pag inaanan, big!
Electric pan. Una na sa code.
Isa sa center.
Observe mismo asa pa nila.
Hinayay na lang mo.
Shawi. Dungag. Flashlight ko. Oh, apel.
Butangan.
Sa isa ka mas mudaghan mo kaya pag-inos. Wala center yun.
Asa pa nila ang mismo. Sa call.
Mas mo-adapt sa
Di ba, padalong sa cold ang ano?
What if baliw na ito na? Kasi nag-diretso din direction. I mean, ganun sila.
Dili gyud
So,
Ay, di ba? Ay,
Para mabalik dito na pugka. Dili na pugka.
Ay, samanti.
Ay, di ba? What I mean is, basta ang movement sa smoke, dire pa daw perminte.
Dili mo.
kasi na i-simulate naman nun sa ikuan, sa mouth surfing. Explain na ako sa ikuan. Basta same risk na siya na kuan.
Iba lisa, ito dyan papadong sa bunaw.
Dili mas maganda. Masarap pa dalong. Sige, observe naman nga man. Ako rin man explain na sa. Basta pa dalong is.
Gusto mo, babe? Ako, dili lagi. Dili lagi. Bato lagi siya sa pan-out. Bato lagi siya sa out mo. Sa tubig ba?
Tanawa ko na yung
Ice?
Basta pa dalong. Basta pa dalong saya sa land.
Movement na nasa smoke. Guro pa dong dre. Oy! Hindi na masok.
Wala.
Sem?
Ano kasi mo?
More siya may isang buto eh.
Pero mas more on ang land kaysa sa...
More siya gumana. More siya gumana.
Wala na.
Ay,
dili. Inaguns na. Pare na surfing yun.
Ribs. Ipa-observe mo sa other group ribs. Ipa-observe.
Lain na groups. Lain na groups.
baliha daw. Okay, butang data ni Dri ha. Baliha ka.
Next group yung pag-isa yung observe.
Saan mo pagbalik?
Money siya sa...
Init na lang.
Sila pa rin yung pwede ako.
Sa land siya. Ay, land.
Hindi ko din
Pero lagi ako yung malawa sa kuha, no?
Nanaman si Mama.
Ay, hupon mag-good ni mo. Sa ka-explanation na.
Okay na.
Yan na po sila.
Bakit yung smoke galing sa land is papunta pataas at yung cold na air dito so yung steam is yung smoke is dito. Step 1 step cycle. Ibali yung hot air is pataas at yung warm ay yung cold is dito. Para siyang nag-cycle sila. So ito, explanation natin. So let's kindly read everyone the savers kasi yung muna sentence natin is savers yung daytime yung mangyayari natin na local ways.
It forms. During the day, land heats up faster than water. Warm air over the land rises, creating a low pressure zone. Cool, denser air from the sea flows in to replace it.
So, yun yung expression niya kanina, bakit yung cold air is papunta sa at dito sa land. Kasi during sa day is, during sa kanang umaga is, hit up faster yung land because why the land is mauna siya maging ma-hit faster unlike sa water because the land is yung specific ay hit capacity ng land is low. Unlike sa water is mataas yung hit capacity niya, that's why mas matagal talaga warm yung kaning water. And then makikita natin kanina yung direction sa yung wind is papunta galing sa yung cold water dito sa sea water is papunta yung smoke doon sa land. So that next is cold coastal areas in the afternoon. So ito yung so sa circulation yung kanina yung land, for example dito kanina yung sea water is yung malamig na water is papunta sa land. And then yung land kasi siya yung unang hit faster, so yung air ng land is papunta sa itaas. And then pupunta and babalik ito sa sea. So meron talagang mangyayari na cycle. Na yung all air is propulsion papunta sa land, and then yung hot air ng land is pupunta naman sa taas and then bababa sa sea colder. So because we all know that yung cold air is much denser unlike sa hot air. So that's why na papunta talaga yung hot air and then bababa yung cold air. So may characteristic.
Occurs most strongly on sunny days. Often the temperature drop of up or 15 Fahrenheit along coastlines. The sea breeze depth can reach 1,200 to 1,500 feet, sometimes as much as 3,000 feet with wind speeds around 10 to 15.
So, ito din, so that's why, and then, the characteristic of sea breeze is can boost cloud development or afternoon shower inland due to upland and convergence. So, when you observe na, madalas yung sa hapon is meron talagang mangyayari na cumulus cloud because yung hot air galing sa land is makakabuo ng clouds or cloud formation. Next naman is land breeze. So nighttime ito mangyayari. So time is occur during the night. So why it forms? At night, land cools more quickly than the sea. Polar air over land becomes denser and flows out to sea toward the relatively warmer low pressure area over the water. So yung land breeze naman is opposite siya sa sea breeze. Kasi yung air galing sa sea is papunta sa land. But in this land breeze, yung air naman sa land is pupunta naman sa sea. So makikita natin sa graph dito. So makikita natin is baliktad na siya. Meron siyang nangyayari na yung polar sa land is papunta na lang sa seawater. And then yung warmer sa seawater is papunta sa taas and then babalik doon sa land polar or sa land. So meron nangyayari na cycle. So and then ito yung characteristic. So generally weaker and smaller than sea breeze due to weaker vertical motion and obstacle like terrain or vegetation. Means offshore, cloud formation or thunderstorm over water under favorable conditions. So dito sa land breeze is meron talaga mangyayari ng mga thunderstorm. So observe natin ito sa pag malapit tayo sa karagatan. So ito yung summary. Sa sea breeze is just remember that sea to land, and then sa land breeze is land to sea. Next one is types of local winds is mountain and valley breeze. So kindly read everyone the definition. First one, we will discuss the valley breeze or the night. So, mangyayari ito during the day and then why it forms. Sun hits mountain slopes more quickly than valley floors. Warm air along slopes ascend through in polar valley air. So, why does it happen? Because as mountain is much higher than kaysa valley. That's why with higher altitude is madali lang ma-expose sa sun, unlike sa valley na mas mababa. So that's why yung mountain is mas mabilis siya mag-hit unlike sa valley floors. So direction ito is go from valley to mountain slopes or unslope. An effect ito is can bring warm air, upslope, and sometimes trigger afternoon thunderstorm. So pag merong valley breeze is meron talagang inaasahan natin na mga thunderstorm. So ito yung mangyayari. So yung air sa mountain is papunta sa taas. And then yung valleys is sa baba. And then merong mangyayari na cycle. Kasi I said earlier that yung valley is mas matagal siyang relay. So that's why meron mas all yung air niya. That's why yung air sa valley is papunta sa mountain and then pag mainit na po ang air galing sa valley is ipagpatas naman ng mountain air. So meron talaga mangyayari na cycle. So ang mangyayari nito is yung valley, yung air sa valley is papunta sa mountain. So kayo rin na characteristic.
Forms mid-morning and peaks in the afternoon, especially on southeast and south
inaasahan talaga natin ang mangyayari na cumulus cloud formation because of the yung hot air galing sa mountain is pwede siya makapabuo ng cloud formation because the low pressure is can-make ka ng storm or mga thunderstorm or mga any cyclone. So now let's proceed to mountain breeze or night times. So ito is during the night. So why it forms? After sunset, mountain slopes fall quickly, then cold air descend the slope into valley driven by Katabatic Mountain. So what is Katabatic Mountain? Katabatic Mountain is Katabatic Mountain is downslope flow of cold air driven by gravity, occurring with elevation terrain falls and tangent peaks. So yung mountain is during sa night is mas mabilis siya mag-fall yung air. And then yung direction is flow from mountains to valley. So meron mangyayari kasi yung mountain is mas mabilis yung fall niya during sa night time. That's why yung air galing sa mountain is papunta sa valley. And then yung valley is mas matagal mag-fall yung air niya. So that's why meron mangyayari na cycle. And then the effect is also the valley floor and leading to temperature inversion. So ito, meron talagang mangyayari. Kasi kanina, yung mountain is papunta sa taas yung air niya. And unless sa night time is yung mountain is mas mabilis mag-fall yung air. That's why yung air galing sa mountain is papunta sa valley. And then yung valley na air is papunta sa taas. And then babalik ko sa mountain. So meron talagang nangyayari na cycle or reversible patterns. So can you give one the characteristic?
Often stronger than valley breezes, especially on clear nights or in the winter when cooling is more pronounced. Occasionally becomes gusty, particularly if
So ito yung summary. Yung valley breeze is, just remember that valley to slope, and then yung mountain breeze is slope to valley. So ito yung summary niya para hindi nyo makalimutan. So why this local breeze matters? Why you want this?
temperature regulation. Sea breezes cool coastal areas during hot days. Mountain breezes bring chill to valleys at night. Weather triggers. They can instigate afternoon cloud development or thunderstorms.
So this local breeze is really important because during sa sea breeze is merong ang sea breeze is pwede siya makapagbigay ng cold air sa land. Kasi kung walang sea breeze is pwede yung land is always heating or meron talagang hot temperature. That's why sea breeze is important in order to give cold air sa land. And then is ecological human impact. So, I didn't everyone.
Ecological
Human impact.
Influence local climates, agriculture, drying effects, and valleys.
And even wind energy exploitation through wind farms near coast. Coastal breezes like the sea breeze help moderate temperatures, reduce heat stress, and support recreational activities.
So, this is really having a human impact yung local breeze because it will help to moderate temperature. That's why yung sinabi ko kanina, yung sea breeze is pwede makatulong, makapagbigay ng moderate temperature sa land, and then it will create recreational activities such as yung mga skydiving because of the local winds. So now let's proceed to the graph. So meron ka mangyayari na wind speed ito that yung sa January is mataas talaga yung mataas yung wind speed niya, and then sa sun season is malakas yung hangin. That's why yung sa Baguio, maginaw doon, so that's why mas malakas yung wind sa Baguio na. So,
Guys, papasok na sa show.
and then ito yung yung impact ng wind. So, makikita natin that there will be an increasing of use of wind because of wind. So, dahil sa 2011 is pataas talaga yung rating na yung wind is pwede gamitin para sa human purpose. So, ito yung mga countries. So, makikita natin that 10% of electricity coming from wind, source of wind. So, meron sa Denmark, and then yung mga countries sa Brazil, Portugal. So, makikita natin that local winds is having matters to us, having yung impact to us. So, I hope you